3D Sphere Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion on your device. After it opens, press the Create New Project button located at the top of the screen. Set up your project according to your needs by selecting the project settings that you want to use. Once the project settings are ready, select Create Project to create your new project and enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, press the plus button located below the timeline to add media. Browse through the available files and find the footage that you want to use. After you find the footage, select it to import it into the timeline. Once the footage has been added, select the footage layer and press Effect to open the Effect menu. Inside the Effect menu, go to the 3D category and scroll down through the available effects. Continue scrolling until you find the Spherize effect in the list. Select the Spherize effect and apply it to your footage in the timeline. After the effect has been added, open the effect settings and adjust the available values according to your preference until you achieve the appearance you want. Once the settings are adjusted, locate the rotation option within the effect. Turn on the rotation keyframe to begin creating an animation. Set the value of the first keyframe according to your preference. Move forward a few frames on the timeline and add another keyframe. Set the value of the second keyframe according to your preference to create the rotating animation. After placing both keyframes, play the preview to see the result of the animation. By following every step in the correct order, you can quickly create a simple animated 3D sphere effect using the Spherize effect in Alight Motion. Once the preview shows the rotating sphere as expected, the process is complete, and you have successfully added the 3D sphere effect to your footage in Alight Motion.